What's up, guys? Big Brian here. Today I'm going to cook these Uncle Charlie's hot Italian sausages in the air fryer. There they are right there. Never done this before, so let's just see how this is going to come out. So they're going in now. I googled this and I don't know. It's different opinion on how to cook these. So I'm gonna try. Somebody said 400 for about 9 minutes. Let's try that. Oh, let's try that. I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, guys, they're done. Pork should come out to 165. It says. Not quite. Almost. I'm putting it back in for a few more minutes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do 6 more minutes at like 400 degrees. Okay, guys. Now let's test it and see what we got. Uh-oh. Should be 165. There you go. I think we got it this time. And they look marvelous. They look marvelous. Okay. Okay, guys. I just slice a piece, cut a piece, and looks good. Tastes even better. Okay, guys. Check it out. Hot Italian sausages and grits. Perfect combination. That taste together is awesome. Mm, 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 mm. Try it if you never had it. Have a good day. Italian sausages and grits. Peace.